Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Google Chrome block screen issue. So if you encounter the block screen issue in Google Chrome, then let's go quick into the process. Now we need to bring up and open the Chrome browser. Click on it under the best match, maximize it. Then you will find the three dots at the top right corner that is to customize and control Google Chrome. Click on that. Scroll down and you'll find settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply locate privacy and security, the one with the shield symbol. Now here, click on delete browsing data. Go to advanced and then time range, you can change that to all time. And make sure that all of the default selections or options are being selected. Now click on delete data. Then click on accessibility. Make sure that you have turned off everything from here. And then click on reset settings. Restore settings to original defaults. Click on that. So this action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies, and other temporary site data. But do not worry if you're going to take this action because this will not affect your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords. Click on reset settings. Now click on extensions, and also if you have a lot of extensions in here, you can disable that, or if it is unnecessary and you are not using such extensions, then you can simply remove completely the extensions from your Chrome browser. And then you just need to launch Google Chrome again and continue browsing on it, and that block screen issue will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.